Say hi, Holly.
Hi, Holly.
This is a once-in-a-lifetime event.
How's that look?
I'm just gonna watch.
Show us how we, or tell them how we do that.
Oh, it hurt your back doing that.
It's not really that heavy.
I want to send pictures into the record.
Like a rockumentary.
Hello. Hi, lady.
Oh my God, Josh.
This car is buried.
I know.
This is what I had to do. You're gonna hurt yourself.
Look at Joyce's. Right next to me.
Well, you don't. Do you need it today? You want to unbury it
I
today?
have to work in the morning.
All right. This is an event. It's a spectator sport. All right, now I'm gonna help. I just wanted to get that some footage.
You gonna send it to Patrick?
I wish I could.
No. Better stacked up.
He's got more snow than we do.
Because then you can let gravity
That's true.
drop it down. You know what I'm saying? Otherwise, then you got to get on your knees for the whole event.
You don't realize how much
And I'm
snow it
trying.
is, but look at the car.
Not to do that.
The pile of snow.
Standing up is
It's
a much
up more.
less stressful position. On
Look at this. Oh my God, it's taller than me.
It